perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Ted Nugent. Ted Nugent. Kris Jenner. Kardashian matriarch Kris Jenner wrote a cookbook called In the Kitchen with Kris, a collection of the Kardashian-Jenner family favorites. More Kris Jenner. Kris Jenner is a genius who wanted you to hate her all along. 308 of 904 Celebrity Death Pool 2021. 4 of 50 celebrities were sick of in 2021. Elisabeth Hasselbeck. The View co-host Elisabeth Hasselbeck wrote a gluten-free cookbook entitled Deliciously G-Free Food So Flavorful They'll Never Believe It's Gluten-Free. More Elisabeth Hasselbeck. 79 of 170 the best Survivor contestants that ever played. 29 of 131 the most annoying TV hosts. 48 of 58 the best female talk show hosts on TV. Sheryl Crow. Sheryl Crow co-wrote a cookbook with her personal chef, Chuck White, entitled If It Makes You Healthy. More Sheryl Crow. The best Sheryl Crow songs. 121 of 136 famous accordionists. 76 of 739 the best singers of all time. Nicole Richie. Nicole Richie loves to cook. She says, I make a really great Brussels sprouts and bacon dish. More Nicole Richie. 51 of 69 the most stylish female celebrities. 14 of 16 celebrities you would never guess are secretly insanely talented. 20 of 24 of the wackiest celebrity wedding gowns. Malin Ackerman shared her love of cooking when she stopped by the Chew to make a flourless chocolate cake. More Malin Ackerman. The best Malin Ackerman movies. 702 of 739 the best singers of all time. 196 of 282 the funniest female comedians of all time. Matthew McConaughey. Matthew McConaughey loves cooking. He has teamed up with Guy Fieri several times. More Matthew McConaughey. The 20-plus best Matthew McConaughey movies of all time. 8 of 264 the best male actors working today. 42 of 1017 the best actors in film history. Alicia Silverstone. Alicia Silverstone has written a vegan cookbook entitled The Kind Diet, a simple guide to feeling great, losing weight, and saving the planet. More Alicia Silverstone. 225 of 269 the most trustworthy celebrities in the world. 96 of 199 famous women you'd want to have a beer with. 141 of 264 the most beautiful women of 2021 ranked. David Beckham. Gary Neville said that David Beckham used to cook stir-fries all the time when they were roommates. More David Beckham. 78 of 188 the hottest men of 2021. Ranked 14 of 1310 the best soccer players of all time. 1390 of 2443 the most influential people of all time. Amy Adams. Amy Adams has said that one of her favorite things to do is to cook for family and friends. One of her go-to sides is Brussels sprouts and butter. More Amy Adams. The best Amy Adams movies. 1 of 74 Mormon celebrities. 60 of 269 the most trustworthy celebrities in the world. Julia Roberts. Julia Roberts loves to cook any time of year, but in 2013, she revealed that her favorite holiday food to make is stuffing. More Julia Roberts, the best Julia Roberts movies of all time, 12 of 349, the best American actresses working today, 23 of 222, the best actresses working today. Gwyneth Paltrow. Gwyneth Paltrow, on top of being the pioneer of all things wellness, has written a number of cookbooks. Eva Longoria. Eva Longoria wrote a cookbook entitled Eva's Kitchen, Cooking with Love for Family and Friends. More Eva Longoria, 90 of 264, the most beautiful women of 2021, ranked 10 of 96, the best Hispanic and Latina actresses, 64 of 69, the most stylish female celebrities. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift loves to bake so much so that she will invite her friends, Emma Stone and Selena Gomez, over for baking parties. More Taylor Swift, seemingly crazy yet somehow solid Taylor Swift conspiracy theories. Taylor Swift's haircuts. Ranked 16 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years. Emma Stone. Emma Stone. Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.